Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair with my TGIN products, as well as adding a little bit of pop of color to the ends using Gemini Naturals in the color Pink Berry. So in this video, instead of explaining to you what I'm going to be doing to my hair, I'm just going to let you watch. But I'm going to be giving you some very important information from the TGIN Foundation and everything that the company TGIN is doing in support of breast cancer awareness for the month of October. I am so honored to participate in the TGIN Breast Cancer Awareness Month as a TGIN Pink Ambassador, again for the third year. It is a very rewarding opportunity to just share information about the importance of breast cancer awareness. So in 2015, the CEO of TGIN, Christia Donaldson, was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 36. During her treatment, she learned that in Chicago, having money could make the difference between living and dying when it came to this condition. So she decided to fix it. Today, she uses her success in the beauty space to advocate for women experiencing financial difficulties who are undergoing treatment and to empower women to listen to their bodies. The TGIN Foundation has raised over $50,000 to date, helping subsidize free mammograms and offer breast health services to underinsured patients. In 2020, the goal of the foundation is to provide free rides for women in Chicago to routine appointments, exams, and treatments through their partnership with Lyft. Now I'm going to share with you some risk factors and some things that you can do to minimize those risk factors. Risk factor number 1, age. While breast cancer can occur in women under 40, breast cancer occurs most commonly in women over 50. What you can do is get screened annually and perform self-breast exams regularly to look for changes in your breast shape and size. If you find something, don't panic, but do get checked out. 80% of breast lumps are non-cancerous. Risk factor number 2, family history. A woman's risk for breast cancer is higher if she has a family member on either her mother's or her father's side of the family who has had breast cancer. Talk to your family members and your doctor about the history of breast cancer. But be aware that 85% of breast cancers occur in women who have no known family history of breast cancer. Risk factor number 3, physical activity. Women who are not physically active have a higher risk of getting breast cancer. So what you can do? Exercise regularly. Find ways that you enjoy being physically active. If the gym isn't for you, try a fitness class, walking, or even dancing. Risk factor number 4, weight. Women who are overweight or obese have a higher risk of getting breast cancer than those at a normal weight. What you can do? Maintain a healthy weight by eating a balanced diet and exercising on a regular basis. Risk factor number 5, alcohol consumption. Studies show that a woman's risk for breast cancer increases with the more alcohol that she drinks. So what you can do, limit your alcohol consumption to no more than 1 drink per day. So now I'm going to share with you some interesting facts about breast cancer. So fact number 1, regular mammograms increase your breast cancer survival rate by 35%. So ladies, get your regular checkups. Fact number 2, Black women are 42% more likely to die from breast cancer than white women. So sisters, we got to stay educated. We have to do our self-exams. We have to do those annual checkups. And we have to spread this information to our friends and our families and anybody that we know. The last fact, fact number 3, 50% more breast cancers are missed at hospitals providing mammograms mainly to Black women compared to academic hospitals. That fact was so crushing to me. Like, we have to do a better job with educating our Black women. We have to do a better job at taking care of our Black women. We are important. I hope that you all have enjoyed this information on breast care awareness, facts, tips, and risk factors. I hope that you use this information and share it with others. I hope you use this information and realize the importance of breast cancer awareness, and not only for the month of October, but every month. So here are my final results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.